Natural light can completely transform the look and feel of your home. In Austin, where sunny days are abundant, homeowners have a unique opportunity to make the most of that bright Texas sunshine. One of the most effective ways to increase natural light indoors is by installing bay windows. Bay windows don't just change how your home looks from the outside, they dramatically enhance how it feels inside. If you're considering a home upgrade, here's how bay windows can improve natural light and elevate your Austin living space. A design that captures light from multiple angles. Unlike flat windows that sit flush with the wall, bay windows extend outward and typically feature 3 panels, a large center window with 2 angled side windows. This angled design allows sunlight to enter from multiple directions throughout the day. In Austin, where the sun moves across wide open skies, bay windows capture more light at different times: morning, midday, and afternoon. Instead of relying on light from a single direction, your room benefits from a broader, more consistent flow of daylight. Making rooms feel larger and more open, natural light has the power to make spaces feel bigger and more inviting. When you install bay windows, the additional glass area increases the amount of daylight that fills the room. This brightens dark corners and reduces shadows, creating a more open and airy atmosphere. Even smaller living rooms or dining areas can feel significantly more spacious with enhanced light exposure. For Austin homeowners who value open-concept living and bright interiors, bay windows align perfectly with modern design preferences. Reducing dependence on artificial lighting with more natural light entering your home, you may find yourself turning on fewer lights during the day. This not only creates a more pleasant environment but can also contribute to modest energy savings. Austin's sunny climate makes bay windows especially beneficial. By maximizing daylight, you can enjoy bright living spaces without relying heavily on artificial lighting, even in the early morning or late afternoon. Highlighting interior design features natural light enhances everything it touches, from flooring and wall colors to furniture and decor. Bay windows allow sunlight to showcase the textures and tones within your home. Hardwood floors glow more warmly, artwork stands out more vividly, and soft furnishings appear more inviting. The result is a home that feels thoughtfully designed and visually balanced. Creating a cozy window nook. Beyond improving light, bay windows create additional interior space. This extended area can be transformed into a cozy seating nook, reading corner, or decorative display space. Imagine relaxing with a book while natural sunlight pours in around you. In Austin, where indoor-outdoor living is a way of life, bay windows help bridge that connection by bringing the brightness of the outdoors inside. Energy-efficient light without excess heat. While Austin sunshine is a major benefit, managing heat gain is important. Modern bay windows are available with energy-efficient features such as double-pane glass and low-E coatings. These technologies help reduce unwanted heat transfer while still allowing ample light to enter. That means you can enjoy a bright home without overworking your air conditioning system during the hotter months. Professional installation ensures proper sealing and alignment, maximizing both light and energy performance. Enhancing curb appeal and value. Bay windows also improve your home's exterior appearance. From the outside, they add architectural depth and visual interest, boosting curb appeal. Inside, the added light and space increase overall appeal and livability. If you ever plan to sell your Austin home, bay windows can be a strong selling point for buyers seeking bright, welcoming spaces. Bright investment for Austin homes. Natural light improves mood, enhances design, and creates a more comfortable living environment. In a city like Austin, where sunshine is abundant, bay windows are an ideal way to take full advantage of it. By installing bay windows, you're not just adding glass, you're transforming how your home feels every day. It's a bright, beautiful upgrade that brings lasting value and enjoyment to your space.